Hello, and welcome to your Jenesis Software training video. In today's training video, we will go over custom policy types. Though we do try to have every single policy type in your Jenesis software, there are some occasions where an agency uses a policy type that is not found in Jenesis, and therefore you can create a custom policy type. Let's take a look. From inside your Jenesis software, let's move over to the toolbar on the left. Scroll down to Agency and click there, and then select Agency-wide Settings. You may have to have an admin give you permissions to access this page. Once inside Agency-wide Settings, moving to the middle of the page at the very bottom, you'll notice Custom Policies. Click there, and you can begin to create a custom policy type. Moving up to the left, click New Custom Policy, and this is where you would name your policy type, test policy. Once you've named the policy type, you can now add your fields. So if you want a text field, a dollar amount field, percent, or drop down, or you can add multiple fields. I'm going to start with a text field, the new text field, test one, I'll put the one. And then if I want, I can add an additional field. Let's see, test two. And then at this point, I can also add a dollar field. Once I've added all of the fields that I would like for this custom policy, I've named the policy. I can now click Save Custom Policy. The policy is now saved, and if I click the back arrow under my Saved Custom Policies, you'll see the type of test policy. When I go to input a client, or if I have a client in that I would simply like to add this policy type for, I go into the client and under policies, click the plus. And if I search for that policy type, test policy, I now have that option to select that test policy or custom policy I created. Clicking the green to select it, it brings me into the policy, and the fields that I created are now here for me to input information. I hope that this video on how to create a custom policy is helpful to you. And as always, should you have any questions, the bottom right, the helpful chat support icon would be very happy to help you or answer your questions. Or if you go to the toolbar on the left, scroll down to resources, clicking there and click help, you can then access our YouTube channel of all tutorial videos. Thank you for joining me.